What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new. It is dark. We have Michael right here. If you guys live in Arlington, Texas, this is your day. So it used to be flooding, and one of the gates fell over of the fire.
Sleeping, that's why. She was
So, we see, we've been seeing it earlier. It was pouring, but hey, Michael, what's up? And yeah, it used to be like actually coming down, but now it calmed down from like an hour ago.
Anthony, just run. It's not raining. Hurry up and get over here while it's not raining.
I know, but I have my phone on me, and I'm scared that it's gonna probably get wet.
It's not raining. You're good.
Anthony, it's not raining.
It's Luke.
You know how I have so much cracks?
Yeah, what?
So much cracks on my phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably here.
Well, and there's nothing. It's dry right now, so might as well get over here right before.
Oh, guys.
That was sick.
I'm gonna zoom up on you guys.
It's all over to the.
So, guys,
It's
it
all
used
over
to be
to the west. All
pouring
the way
and
to the
flooding,
west.
but you know the fire? They put a gates up, and that one of them fell. And there's bean bags on them.
But it's sick. So
Yeah.
what?
So there's a gate right there, then it fell down. And there are bean bags on them, so I don't understand.
We're waiting. You're gonna have to get out the car because there's a gate by her building.
And then there's a secret passageway.
I should just go through that little alleyway.
Yeah, so no, there's a gate there's a opening in the gate by her house, by her balcony. You can walk through there. That's what I did.
But I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go the back way.
No, Anthony, it's literally all you can do is there's a little crack and everybody can fit through it, and then you can get in fast.
There's like a big crack. It's not
I'm just gonna go the back way.
okay. Do it then.
Okay, let's go inside.
No, I'm staying out here.
He's going the back
I
way.
don't care. I can still see a car. Is that you driving by right now?
What happens if it falls right now?
If it what?
The door's locked inside.
The building.
If the building falls, like that, the building across from us, or Bradley's recording, that would be sick. Oh, another close strike.
You know whenever buildings fall, you have all that smoke.
Yeah, I know. It would be sick, though. As soon as I hear it, I would
This is
literally
Michael's
start
idea to
recording.
go on the balcony. So yeah.
It's snowcat pretty sick right now.
Alright.
Bradley's going inside. Oh, no, he's hanging out with me. You can sit in the chair. It's not wet.
I don't care. Bro.
Bro, this is sick. I actually like this. This is one of the few times it's actually pretty cool when it rains.
Hey guys.
We're gonna be right back, right?
Wait, where are you leaving? Oh, you're talking to Aiden. He's going to. So, he's going to Ryland's. They have candy. They have candy.
Oh well, guys, it's not working. Well, the lights are turning off now. Oh, stop.
Yeah, candy, bro. They got candy. They got candy. That was sick.
I should record.
Because there's no more sugar. What sugar is he talking about? He said, we got some candy.
Are you coming, Anthony, or what?
He's coming. He's waiting for his mom to get ready.
Jesus Christ, you can't be patient.
He's getting on you, bro. There's this not super. There's this. Oh, look at all the birds. They're just sitting there.
And Anthony calls me the B word, guys, so
We're strong.
that's why I don't want him to come over.
Well, you actually wanted to come over. You wanted him to come over. What are you
No, I
talking about?
didn't.
Yes, you did.
You're the one, hey, you can come, and I said, no.
Bro,
no.
I literally didn't even get a call with him. We said we were about to go over his
I
house
said,
tomorrow.
is he coming? He was like, yeah. And my face was like,
She could look that.
Okay, Rylan, we'll ask your mom and see what she says. Oh, this is another cool lightning strike.
So, bring my sweater.
Yeah, don't bring your sweater. Don't bring your sweater.
Severe thunderstorm. I just got another one.
Well, stay away from the metal.
I don't care. Bring my sweater.
Anthony, you better hurry up before it starts raining again.
Where's my sweater?
It's starting raining, Anthony.
It's raining?
It's starting to.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I can hear it.
Yeah, there's a car. There's water.
No. Look in the water. You can see the individual raindrops hitting it. And you can hear it.
A little.
Anthony, it's raining now.
Okay,
Now's
guys.
your chance, my guy.
Oh, guys.
Now you have to come over here in the rain. I have to go.
Know where my jacket is?
I don't know where. Tomorrow's supposed to be really cold, so bring your jacket. We're carving pumpkins tomorrow. Anthony, we're carving pumpkins tomorrow.
I don't want him to come.
We're carving pumpkins tomorrow.
I want him to not.
Oh, you're probably gonna have to cook this tomorrow?
We're carving the pumpkin.
And we might go to Six Flags.
Oh, it's wind's picking up. I'm not touching any metal anymore.
I don't want him
Anthony,
to
just
come.
forget your sweater.
I don't want him to come.
But you're the one who told him to come.
No, I'm not. You were brave.
Okay, we'll ask your mom when she wakes up.
She's not going to wake up.
When Anthony comes, she sure will. Whoa.
But then he's leaving in the morning then. Do you see
Why
that?
can't we have more than one person come out one time?
He's rude.
So, you could be rude.
He's even ruder. Calls me a B word. He still calls me the F word.
You say freak. That's still the F word.
Freak?
Yep, freak
I
you.
never said that.
Freak you? Flip you?
Okay.
That's still the F word. Just a
No, it's
little word.
Well, I'm not actually saying it.
That was scary. You still in call, Anthony? Yeah, you still in call. Wind's picking up really fast.
Well, guys, I mean, that's it. I mean, if you live in Arlington, you should looking out the window on your balcony. And see you guys in the brand new video. Bye, y'all.